Morning everyone. Good morning sir, my dear teachers and my dear children. So I'm here today to speak a few lines on Swami Vivekananda, as you all know that today is 12th of Jan, which is also known as National Youth Day, and this day is celebrated as the great Indian monk's Swami Vivekananda's birthday. So here I begin. Swami Vivekananda was born on 12th Jan 1863 in Kolkata as Narendranath Datta. He was the chief disciple of the 19th century Indian mystic Ramakrishna. He was a key figure in the introduction of Indian philosophies of Vedanta and Yoga to the Western world. Vivekananda founded the Ramakrishna Mutt and the Ramakrishna Mission. He was influenced by his guru Ramakrishna. Naren was interested in spirituality from a very young age and used to meditate before the deities of Lord Shiva, Kali, and Mahavir. He was known for his prodigious memory and the ability at speed reading. 12th of Jan is also known as the National Youth Day. In 1881, Narendra first met Ramakrishna, who became his spiritual focus after his own father had died in 1884. In late 1881 or early 1882, Narendra went to Dakshineshwar with the friends and met Ramakrishna. This meeting proved to be a turning point in his life. Although he did not initially accept Ramakrishna as his teacher and his guru, he doubted him and rebelled against him. He was attracted by his personality and ideas and his preachings. He then began to frequently visit him at Dakshineshwar. After many such meetings, Naren finally accepted Ramakrishna as his guru. After Ramakrishna's death in 16th of August 1886, his devotees and admirers stopped supporting his disciples. Unpaid rent accumulated, and Narendra and other disciples did not find any place to stay. After a few years, like in 1888, Narendra turned into a wandering monk, and who had nothing but just no destination, but just a journey. No fixed abode, without ties, independent, and strangers wherever they were. He travelled extensively in India for 5 years, visiting centers of learning and acquainting himself with diverse religions, advisories. He developed sympathy for the suffering and poverty of the people and resolved to uplift the nation. He had so many ideas and preachings on the upliftment of the children and the ideas of studies. He also went to different parts of the country, and later in 1893 he left Bombay and went for Chicago for the Parliament speech. And this speech turned out to be the most famous one, which he said on 1983 September. So in this speech, he perhaps said the words, his speech began with the words, "Sister and Brothers of America." So in this speech, he went to the parliament and he introduced Hinduism there. Religions in Chicago in 1893. All this happened at a very young age, and on 4th of July 1902, he died when he was only 39 years. His death did not take away all the preachings and ideas and the great works done by him. So he is still remembered by the great works he has done for India, just not for India but for all over the world. So I wish him a very happy birthday, and I wish that all the children of this generation keeps learning from the great works of Swami Vivekananda. Thank you so much.